In this video, we'll demonstrate how to delete saved or suggested words from your PlayStation 5's text box. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to manage your saved words on the PS5, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get started. From the PS5's home screen, navigate to the right and select Settings. Scroll down and choose System. Next, select System Software. Then, navigate to Reset Options. Choose Clear Learning Dictionary. Confirm by selecting Clear. This will remove terms that were automatically added to your dictionary as you entered them, eliminating the suggested words from your text box. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more tutorials. Thank you for watching. For additional tips and tutorials, visit mediamagnetguide.com.